In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 7 legit live stream app you can actually live stream and make money. So if you're looking for ways or you're looking for apps to live stream and make money, just like I've been doing and I've been sharing in my community, I am going to be giving you those 7 legit live stream app you can actually live stream and make money. Okay. First, hello beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time tuning in, do what, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's just dive right into this video. Welcome back, guys. The seventh on my list I'll be talking about is Boom Live. A lot of you have this Boom music player whereby you listen to music, but you don't know that you can make money by going live. So you see this place tag live. If you click on it, you are going to live stream and make money. There are a lot of people here that are live streaming and make money. I have a friend that is also live streaming and make money, and she already shared her code to me, and I have started going live on this Boom player. Okay, so for Boom Player, you don't even need to do much. You just need to do just some live streams and then get interaction with one or two person, and you are making money. If you want to get more research about this Boom Player, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely be doing more of the Boom Player live stream research for you. But yes, if you're looking for that app that you want to live stream and make money this 2024 or before the end of 2024, Boom Life is recommended for you. Okay, so it is called Boom Life whenever you want to go and make whenever you want to go and make money here. Okay, it is not called Boom Player. Okay, I don't know. We're just going to go to your Play Store or App Store and download the Boom Player, and then once you register, you're going to go ahead to the Boom Life and then start live streaming to start making money. If you have been using Boom Player or Boom Life, let me know in the comment section. And yes, let's dive to the second part. The second one I'll be talking about is Star Maker. A lot of you think that Star Maker is just for what, making music alone, but Star Maker is beyond making music. Okay, with Star Maker you can also make money. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store or your App Store and click on Star Maker for you to be able to install Star Maker. Then you're going to go ahead to the Star Maker and register. And once you've registered, you can now start what, making your music, doing duet music and different type of music, and then you're good to go. You can see what is written here. At Star Maker, we believe that talents deserve recognition, and we are committed to help you. Blah blah blah. Here you can see make between what, $43 to $4,750 a month through live streaming and visual cards. Okay, so you can make more research on it. I have my sister-in-law here. What she basically do here is just Star Maker, and I know that she has really been cashing out, and I know that this Star Maker can actually help you cash out. If you need more information as well, let me know in the comment section, for I'll be delivering. Let's move to the fifth part of this video, which is the Nikki Life app. And once you go to your Play Store, this is how it is. This is the logo. All you need to do is to install. If you're using your what, app store, you need to just still type this Nikki Life. And once you are done, you're going to go ahead to like register. How do you want to register? Do you want to register with your Google phone number, Facebook, any part that you want to use in register? You can just go ahead and register, and at the end of the day, this is how the app look like. Okay, I love Nikki Life so well because they have different method of payment once it comes to Nikki Life. And aside that, you can also withdraw directly to your local bank account. Okay, so right now I have $6 with Nikki Life. Okay, a Nikki Life app. I have $6 by what, live streaming, performing one or two tasks, joining the crown sea. If you're conversant with Popo, because you guys know that I talk a lot about Popo, the same thing is happening here on Nikki Life. You can see my Nigerian local bank account that I've already linked to it. Okay, and just know that before you can be able to withdraw from Nikki Life app, you need $10 for you to be able to withdraw. So for those ones that have been saying that, oh, they cannot withdraw, just know that it's because you need $10 so that you can be able to withdraw from Nikki Life. But yes, with Nikki Life, you can live stream and make money from Nikki Life. Okay, a lot of people are here live streaming every day, performing one or two tasks, playing games. I've even done tutorials on how you can play their games. If you're really following me on my Sonia Onoja channel, how you can join their fan club and every other stuff that you need to do for you to be able to make money on Nikki Life app. So whatever platform you are using, just go. If you're using iPhone or Android, go directly and just install the Nikki Life app. And trust me, you are going to be happy that you are doing this. And wait, aside you being able to withdraw directly from your local bank account, you can still do what? You can still withdraw with different means of payment, which is the Binance, the what they call it, Payoneer, and like there's just different method of payments that you can actually use to withdraw directly to your local bank accounts. Okay, so start now. Let's move to the next one, and I'm going to be talking about is Bigo Live. And I've talked about Bigo Live as well. If you're conversant with my Sonia Another channel, Bigo Live is also a place you can live stream and make money. If you go to your Play Store, your App Store, this is how the app look like. Okay, if you're watching more of YouTube videos, you can even be seeing this as an advert on your videos. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to your App Store or your Play Store and download it. And once you download, you can just go ahead and make more of your research in all of these apps that I'm giving to you. Because one thing I said is it is very good for you to make your research. You can see the rating here and every other stuff that people are putting out here. Okay. Yes, with Bigo Live, you can make money and withdraw successfully. Okay, tested and trusted. Okay, yes, if you're looking for that app that you want to make money by going live, Bigo Live is one of the app that I recommend for you. So start Bigo Life today and thank me tomorrow. And the good part about Bigo Life is you also have one or two tasks that you can also what complete to be able to make money. And you get to meet a lot of friends. So if you're this kind of person that you love making friends, you love meeting new people, trust me, Bigo Life is for you. I know a lot of people that have been able to connect to good and nice people for that matter from Bigo Life. So sit out, sorry. So go and check out Bigo Life and thank me later before I will say sit out. So this is me just showing you guys the logo again. Okay, so let's move to the next app that will bring coins to your table, which is the Mayo app. A lot of you guys don't know about Mayo, and some of you have already been seeing Mayo or you've already heard me talk about Mayo. Okay, Mayo is actually an app you can also live stream and make money. Aside live stream, there are different activities when it comes to Mayo for you to be able to make money through different activities. Like I said, you can see the activities from live party to sharing a moment to playing games to performing different type of tasks here. And there's one beautiful game they have here, which is the Ludo form of game, and that game is also very nice. Like you can just do more of your research, okay, so that you will not say, oh, Sonia said I should go and join, and this is me joining. You can see a lot of people doing live stream here. You can see this lady here, she's actually live stream on this app. If it's not making money, you are not going to see people. So the mistake that a lot of people make is you don't go ahead to do your research very well before diving into any app, or once you get to the place, you cannot even ask questions. Your own is, oh, it's working, let's go. And once is you have stayed one or two times, nothing is happening, you will just get disappointed and leave. But trust me, these apps that I'm giving to you, these 7 legit apps that I'm giving to you, are legit apps that are tested and trusted. You can make money from this app. Okay, so go and start making money on Mayo app and thank me later. Let's move to the next app I am going to be talking to you. Is there any way I'm going to be talking about apps without talking about Popo? It is never possible. Okay, so on your Play Store or on your App Store, this is how the Popo logo look like. So with Popo as well, you can be able to make money. Okay, and you guys, if you are conversant with Vibe with Sonia channel, you know that Vibe with Sonia talks a lot about Popo. At some point, some persons were like, "Is Popo sponsoring this video?" But Popo is not sponsoring this video. It's because of the good thing that I've been able to see during the process of me being on Popo. With Popo, you can live stream. Aside live streaming, with just you inviting someone, you can be able to make over $14 by invite. You can join a party, you can play games, you can have fan clubs, different things you can do on Popo. And that's one beautiful part I love about Popo so much. You can see here I've made over $53 just inviting friends alone. And you guys, when it comes to inviting friends, it's not like people just go to your link, use your link to like join people without performing their tax. If they don't perform their tax, you are not going to be making all of that coins. So you need to make sure that they are performing their tax. You can see how much I have as of today that I'm filming this video for you guys. $80 78 cents, and these are their different withdrawal method. Nigerian account, which is my own that I'm using, you can use the ePay, you can use the USDT, you can use the Binance, you can use the PalmPay. And if you have not banned your Nigerian bank account, you can also use Payoneer for you to be able to withdraw. And the good part again I love about Popo is once you have your $10, you are going to withdraw, and Popo gives you a very good rate. For today, they are giving 1,530 naira per $1 that you are making. Okay, I know that yes, it doesn't equate to the black market as a whole, but yes, it is something. So if you're looking for an app as a sit-at-home mom, as a student, or you're looking for any means to get like extra side hustle, Popo is for you. I will always recommend Popo 247. That's why I make this one second to my last app that I'm going to review, because Popo is one app that has helped me a lot, and I so much thank God for this. There are different means you can gamble, you can exchange coins, you can like do different activities here. So all you need to do is, if you have not joined Popo, check in the description box. You're going to be seeing my link there. Try in as much as possible and join Popo. Let me know that you've joined Popo. Let me share with you my agency that can be able to work you hand in hand. And at the end of the day, trust me, you're not going to be regretting, or you're not going to regret joining Popo. Okay. Pardon my English. Anyhow, you're seeing the English. Just that I am so excited to explain to you about this Popo. So if you have been sleeping on this app called Popo, it is the right time for you to pick up your phone, go into my description box, click on that link that is here, which is my referral link. Join Popo. Let me know that Sonia have been able to join Popo. Please, let's work hand in hand. Let me show you to the agency that can actually help you. And at the end of the day, I know that you're definitely not going to regret. Okay, so let's take you to my number one app, which is TikTok. TikTok. I cannot talk about apps without talking about TikTok. TikTok is one app I don't joke with, because TikTok is one app that has blessed me so much. When I mean blessed me with TikTok, with just your 1,000 followers, you can be able to go live. Okay, and for those of you asking, yes, TikTok international account, you can also make money there by what? Getting your accounts to 10,000 followers and getting 100,000 views, and then you can be able to like monetize. You can see this is my TikTok account, and right now this is the balance I'm having there, and I've been able to share like a lot of my withdrawal um payments that I've been able to get from TikTok. And I love the fact that TikTok make it so convenient for you to be able to link your Payoneer account for those of us that don't have PayPal, so that we can be able to withdraw directly and safely to our Payoneer, and from the Payoneer to your local bank account. So if you've been sleeping on TikTok, or you've been seeing TikTok on your page, you've not been able to do anything, or you have TikTok downloaded, all what you just go there to do is just to create any kind of videos and then leave, and you don't even think, or you don't even consider to get your accounts to 1,000 followers, please go and get your accounts to 1,000 followers. Start making money on TikTok and thank me later. So yes, these are the 7 legit apps you can live stream and make money this 2024. These apps have been in existence, and I've been making money for all of this app, and that's why I decided to share with you guys. But for disclaimers, feel free to be able to carry out your research. I repeat, feel free to be able to carry out your research. This is what I usually do to get myself some extra side hustle. I don't only depend on YouTube, and I don't expect you to depend on one means of income. So check anyone that is best fit your category and start live streaming, start making money, and thank me later. With this being said, let's get right back into the video. Thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. And if you've not subscribed at this point, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you've been making money from any of this app, let me know as well. If this is the first time you're hearing any of this app, also let me know as well, so that I can walk you hand in hand. And you can check in the description box. Like I said, my links are there. Do well to register with my link, so that we can make this money together. So get yourself an extra hustle and thank me later. With no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.